What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a look at SYRO The Box. I recently purchased this because I wanted to display my personal company in my home office, 2 Pro. I'm going to go on ahead and open it up, let you guys see what it looks like. I'll tell you some of my thoughts, and I'll show you assembly as well. To start with assembly, first I unpacked all of the box modules. It comes with 16, but I didn't end up using all of them. And then once I did that, I laid them all down in the formation that I wanted to, and what I was spelling is the 2 Pro company. So I laid them down in place, very simple. And then from there, I used these adapters to connect each panel. And it's really important to make sure that each panel goes into the input with the adapter. Here, I'll show you exactly what I mean here in a second. That's what I mean. You want to make sure that those arrows go into the next panel. And then after that, to make sure that it's sturdy, you place the pallets on each panel to be able to make sure that it doesn't fall apart. These are what the pallets look like. And there's the fun part. Now I've put together the letters. It's very easy to slip them in. And look how beautiful that looks, the 2 Pro company. Oh, and if you want to stand it on a desk, you can use these mounts. And if you want to put it on a wall, it even comes with sticky panels to be able to put it onto a wall. I thought it was beautiful when it was lit up, and there's lots of different settings that you can do. Here's what it looks like when it's in complete darkness. And there's with a little bit of light dim. 3 things that I really love about it is that you can control it even through an app, which is really cool and fun to use. You can redisplay it any way that you want. So if I want to change it from saying the 2 Pro company, I can change it to anything that I want. I actually had a meeting for my company right after I recorded this video, and someone right away asked about the sign in the back. So people love it. I love it. It's beautiful. I couldn't be happier.